In this lesson, we'll attach a disk to our server and install a configuration profile. Click on the dashboard link corresponding to your newly created Linode. Under the dashboard heading, we can see the configuration profiles we have attached to our Linode. We currently have no configuration profiles. A profile refers to things like your server's operating system and configuration. We have the option of creating customized configuration profiles or using pre-built packages. Creating new configurations from scratch can be quite technical. For the purpose of this course, we'll be using existing configurations which are available under the Deploy an Image link. Click on this link. To deploy an image, we first need to select the operating system we want to use. Beside the image label, select Ubuntu 14.04 LTS. Ubuntu is a very popular Linux-based distribution that is widely used for hosting web applications. It's known for performance and security. The LTS stands for long-term support, meaning this version of Ubuntu is considered stable and also regularly updated. A new LTS version is released every 2 years and comes with 5 years of support. Next, we need to specify the deployment disk size. Similar to your home computer, the disk or hard drive stores the data and operating system on your server. We need to specify how much space we want to allocate for the operating system. With Linode, it's possible to create multiple disks that serve different purposes. Note that the total size of all your disks must equal the allowable maximum under your existing plan. For our purpose, we'll just keep everything on a single disk. This includes our operating system and web files. So we'll leave the default setting. A swap disk allows us to allocate a portion of our hard drive space as RAM. Leave the default setting for this option, 256 megabytes. The root password is very important. Recall that a virtual server is stored in a data center. We do not have physical access to this data center, so all our server administration is done remotely. In order to make administrative changes to our server and its configuration, we need root access. For this, we must set a root password to log into the system. Make sure the password is secure and one you'll remember. Once you've completed these steps, click the Deploy button. You'll be directed back to the dashboard, and in this section under Host Job Queue, you can see the status of any pending requests. So, disk create from distribution is currently ongoing, and create file system as well. Now they've both been completed, so we see the success label next to each item.